Salvador Illa Roca is a Spanish politician who served as Minister of Health of Spain from 2020 to 2021. He has been the Secretary for Organization of the Socialists Party of Catalonia since 2016, and the candidate for the presidency of Catalonia for this party. Previously, Illa served as Mayor of La Roca del Vallès from 1995 to 2005. Born in La Roca del Vallès, Spain on 5 May 1966, Illa is the son of Josep Illa, a worker at the textiles and embroidery factory in that municipality, and Maria Roca, who owned a small textile workshop. He has two younger brothers, Ramon and José María. Illa attended Escola Pia School in Granollers and he studied in the University of Barcelona, where he received his philosophy degree. He is Associate Professor of the Blanquena School of Communication and International Relations. Illa also studied a master's degree in Economics and Business Management at IESE Business School, University of Navarra. He completed compulsory military service, graduating as alferez in a company of the Spanish Army headquarters of Bruc, Barcelona. He was elected councillor of the City Council of La Roca del Vallès in 1987 and he was appointed Councillor for Culture under Mayor Roma Planas I Miro. In 1995, he joined the Socialists Party of Catalonia and he became mayor in replacement of the deceased mayor. During his first term, La Roca village was built, a shopping centre that attracts nearly 4 million visitors each year. He was ousted as mayor after a successful vote of no confidence in early 1999. But he soon made a comeback as his party commanded a qualified majority at the June 1999 local elections. In 2009, he moved to the private sector, being CEO of the audiovisual production company Chromosoma, a position he held for 9 months. In September 2005, he was appointed Director General for Infrastructure Management of the Department of Justice of the Regional Government of Catalonia. From 2010 to 2011 he was Director of the Economic Management Office of the City Council of Barcelona and coordinator of the local socialist group in the City Council from 2011 to 2016. In November 2016, PSC's leader Miquel Ista appointed him for the position of Secretary for Organization. Illa was the highest-ranked politician from among the PSC cadres who attended the Pro Recuperem el Seny anti-independence demonstration in Barcelona on 8 October 2017 organized by Societat Civil Catalana. He was part, along with Adriana Lastra and José Luis Abalos, of the negotiating team of the PSOE that reached an agreement with ERC for their abstention in the investiture of Pedro Sánchez in January 2020. On 10 January 2020, he was unveiled as prospective Minister of Health, replacing María Luisa Carcedo. He was appointed by King Felipe VI of Spain on January 13. Taking oath before the sovereign that day, Illa succeeded Carcedo in taking responsibility for public health affairs, but not in responsibilities for consumer affairs and social welfare, which were transferred to two newly established officers. Illa had no experience in health. His appointment was portrayed by the media as that of a manager, noting that his possible role in the government was not merely carrying the health portfolio but a channel of communication with Catalan independentism. One of the first challenges faced by the minister was the outbreak of coronavirus in late 2019. Following the health crisis caused by COVID-19, various media reported that he temporarily moved to live at the Moncloa Palace. In late January 2020, the Ministry of Health, in coordination with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, started the process to repatriate around 20 Spaniards from China. On 29 January it was announced that they would be held in quarantine for 14 days in a military hospital of Madrid, in a joint operation with the government of the United Kingdom. They arrived to Spain on 31 January and they were discharged on 13 February. The first case of coronavirus in Spain was recorded on 31 January 2020 in the island of La Gomera, in the Canary Islands. The patient, one of a group of 5 people, was taken into observation after they had come into contact with a German man diagnosed with the virus. Since then, multiple cases were recorded. On the 3rd of March 2020, the health authorities announced that a post-mortem test proved that the first coronavirus death in Spain occurred on the 13th of February 2020. That day, the health ministry suspended all medical conferences indefinitely to ensure the availability of all medical professionals, and it recommended sports matches played against Italian teams be played without fans. On the 10th of March, the central government, led by the health ministry, adopted more stringent measures. Among them were halting flights to Italy and banning large-scale gatherings in Madrid, Basque Country and La Rioja. These measures were complemented with other ones taken by regional governments, such as shut down schools by the regional governments of Madrid, the Basque Count,